Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify app billing issues with App Store easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore billing issues with the Shopify App Store, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section located in the left-hand sidebar. Find the app that is experiencing the billing issue. Click on the app to access its settings and information. Look for the billing or subscription section within the app's interface. Review any error messages or notifications displayed regarding the billing issue. If you see a prompt about your payment method, click on Update Payment Method. Enter your payment details accurately in the provided fields. Once you have updated your payment information, save the changes. Return to the app settings and check if the billing issue persists. If the problem continues, visit the Shopify Help Center for additional resources. Search for billing issues to find relevant articles and troubleshooting tips. You may also want to contact the app developer directly for support. Look for a Support or Contact Us option within the app listing. Provide them with details regarding your billing issue for assistance. If necessary, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app to reset any potential glitches. After reinstalling, set up the billing details again as instructed. Monitor your billing section over the next few days to ensure the problem is resolved. Follow up with Shopify support if the issue is still unresolved after taking these steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.